Hi parents, I'm Shraddha. Today we are going to learn the new sound. That is I. I says E. What does I say over here? I says E. Look at the picture. You can see an ink. Inky the mouse. What is the name of the mouse over here? It's Inky the mouse. What is the name of the mouse over here? It's Inky the mouse. I can see the insects. Yes, I can see the insect also over here. Yes. What is the sound? It's E, E, ink. E, E, ink. Let's learn the words starting from E sound. Which sound? That is E sound. Words starting from E sound. I says E, 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 igloo. I says E, 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 ink pot. I says E, 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 iguana. I says E, 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 insect. I says E, 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 India. I says E, 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 indigo. I says E, 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 inchworm.